How to archive a Slack channel. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to archive a channel on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now here you can find channels right here. Now to archive, simply choose one of the channel which you want to archive, just like this. Then here you can find the channel name at the top. Select it. Then tap on the three dot lines right here. Tap on it. Now to archive, simply tap onto this archive channel button, select it. And simply tap on to archive and confirm it. And now we can see the channel has been removed and it has been went to archive. And that's it. This is how you can archive a Slack channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.